Chia seed water is a simple beverage made by soaking chia seeds in water. It may have some benefits for your health, such as supporting digestion. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, which can help prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Lowering hunger. Chia seeds are high in protein and fiber, which can help you feel full and reduce your appetite. Improving blood sugar control. Chia seeds contain a type of omega-3 fatty acid called alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which may help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, protecting against oxidative stress. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants, such as chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, and quercetin, which may help fight free radicals and prevent cellular damage. To make chia seed water, you just need to mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 1 cup of water and let it sit for about 15 minutes or until the chia seeds absorb all the liquid.